Be adaptable, but be relentless. Be relentless in getting your shit done. All right, it's 7:30, finished prayer. I still have this presentation I gotta do for work. I was supposed to wake up at 5:30, but ended up having a massive headache. So I slept in a little bit more. Oh man. All right, let me just finish this presentation. I probably have to skip training this morning and go in the evening. So I'll do something. But anyway, I'll do that. I'll see you guys later. All right, currently 8:33. I've been working on this presentation. Just getting all the slides together. My meeting got moved to 11, so I have some time to prep. I'm just gonna do a quick workout right now, in case it becomes really hectic in the evening. I'm just thinking 100 push-ups quickly. Alright, let's do it. Should I do 4 sets of 25? My muscles feel pretty good, so I think I can do it. Alright, let's do it. Alright, cold shower 19 done. Let's do cold shower thoughts number 19. For those of you that are joining us just now, cold shower thoughts is when I take a cold shower, have some thoughts, discuss it here. 19 cold showers in a row, aiming for the whole year, every single day. Let's get it. Okay, so thought for today, it's gonna be quick because I'm in a little bit of a hurry. It's gonna be adaptable, but be relentless. Be relentless in getting your shit done. You need to take a workout, get it done. You need to do whatever you gotta do. Cold shower, get it done. Workout, get it done. Whatever work you gotta do, get it done. Studying, get it done. Just get it done. Be relentless in getting it done. But be adaptable. In whatever circumstance, you make time and you get it done. You wake up late, get it done. Wake up early, get it done. Be adaptable, but be relentless. All right, that's about it for today. I'm just gonna iron up my shirt and pant. We're gonna head out to the office. You need to do whatever you gotta do. Cold shower, get it done. Workout, get it done. Whatever work you gotta do, get it done. Studying, get it done. Just get it done. Be relentless in getting it done, but be adaptable. In whatever circumstance, you make time and you get it done. You wake up late, get it done. Wake up early, get it done. Be adaptable, but be relentless. All right, that's about it for today. I'm just gonna iron up my shirt and pant. We're gonna head out to the office. All right, everybody, finished with work. Been a long day of work. I'm gonna head back to the shop now to do some more work. See you there. All right, so I'm back at the shop. Finished our nameplates. So you can see this is what it looks like. This is mine. One of the things I don't like is there's very little contrast between the lettering and the actual nameplate, since it's aluminum on aluminum, so it's a little bit difficult to read. So what I'm thinking of doing is getting the nameplate black anodized or gray anodized or something, and then doing the engraving after, so then you'll have shiny lettering on a dark background for easier contrast. Essentially, you got the brass nub and you got the nameplate, and this is mine. It sits on my desk. I made one for my machinist. I made one for my mom. I'm gonna be sending these out to my most valued customers. Now, I've also started an Etsy shop because I want to have these products for sale with the limited batch run. I also want to have stuff that I can show on YouTube. So I might go through the full manufacturing process, and you see it looks so clean, right? How this is attached, and it just attaches through these two dowel pins. They press fit through both the brass and the nameplate. What I'm also thinking is different colors for the nub. Instead of brass, since brass is expensive, I'll do anodized aluminum, something like a black and then a dark gray, make it look more modern for that modern feel, for that modern desk. Because you don't really get CNC machine nameplates. What you see in the marketplace is the resin nameplates, which is interesting, but this is a very different feel. It's heavier, it feels better, etc. So I have a couple other products. All I'm really doing is looking at the stock I have in the back. So for example, this and this, I have a whole bunch of all these remnants in the back, and I'm just gonna develop a product from them and put it on Etsy and just market it and see if I can get some sales that way, right? Be a little bit resourceful. And then also continuously emailing and getting orders that way too. Anyway, super stoked. I'll show you my Etsy store. Here's my Etsy store, Influx Labs, beautiful machined products. I'm gonna put an announcement here. Then when you go to listings, I don't have any active listings right now, but I'm gonna add the product that I wanna make from this. I'll put that as a surprise because it's gonna be pretty interesting. Excited about this product. Maybe in that video, I'll also go over the meaning of the logo. It has a little bit more to do with my my spirituality and religion, and just what I needed to do to get through the hardship. I started praying every day, just asking God for guidance, and so all of this has meaning to that. So I'll go over the product a little bit later, the meaning of the logo, but pretty stoked. I mean, I have another product idea for this little nub. I have a whole bunch of this stock, and then we're just gonna list it. They're all gonna look beautiful. I mean, we create beautiful products, so we're gonna list it, try to get sales, and machine it. I don't want to really spend too much time machining it right now in the beginning, because then it's labor I have to pay for when I don't have sales yet. So you always list the product, then get the sales. Listing it costs me nothing, just a couple of minutes of CAD. All right, keep you updated soon. All right, everybody, I officially got 2 products listed on Etsy. I'll give you the first one. That's viewed on it. So the first one is this nameplate. Has the name, has the engraving. $55, precision machined, 360 brass in the corner, 6061 aluminum, name, company. I'll be sending these to engineers I work with closely. I have 20 more for sale for anybody that wants one. It's at my Etsy store, which is at, let me see, I think it's at influxlabs.etsy.com. So we're gonna be challenging ourselves to utilize the stock we have to list products on this Etsy store to increase the machine uptime, so we're not just sitting idle. Spindles are turning, and I can make products that I can list on Etsy to sell, and then the job for me will be to sell these. Although what I might do for content purposes is demonstrate the machining of this product here, as well as the nameplates. But super excited. I think 2025 is a new way of doing business. We're gonna be advertising ourselves as a precision machine shop, making these little bits of things, putting them on Etsy, putting them on our store, eventually adding more merch and stuff like that as we build a following. All right, that's it for the day, guys. I'm tired as hell. It's 9:14 p.m. Gotta go to sleep, wake up early. I wanna go to kickboxing training tomorrow because I wasn't able to go today. So, see you guys tomorrow. Day 19 done.